Salvete omnes. Let's continue with the Aeneid, Book 1. Fervet opus redolentque timo fragrantia mela, o fortunati coram iam moenias surgunt, Aeneas ait et fastigia suspicit urbis, inferse saectus nebula mirabile dictu, per medios, misetque viris neque cernetur uli. The work burns on, and the fragrant honey smells with thyme. O fortunate ones, whose city walls already rise up! Aeneas spoke, and he saw the heights of the city. He brings in himself through their midst, having been surrounded by a cloud, miraculous to describe, and he mixes with the men, and he is not seen by anyone. So here we have the end of the city, or the end of the simile up here with Fragrantia Mela. Aeneas has been admiring the work of the Carthaginians and the movements of the city, and then he speaks out, "O fortunate ones, whose city walls already rise up." He's saying, wow, you guys are already founding your city. You're so lucky. I wish I had a city. I wish my Moenia, my city walls, were already rising up like yours are. So Aeneas is lamenting that he's not as lucky as these Carthaginians. He doesn't have a city yet. So Aeneas speaks, and he looks up at the heights of the city, so he's still just marveling at Carthage, like, wow, this is amazing. And he brings himself, having been wrapped in a cloud, miraculous to describe, through their midst. So this part we have a supine, mirabile dictu, miraculous to describe. Supine, I wrote the word out there, that is the grammar form that dictu is here. Miraculous to describe is how you translate a supine. And it looks like that. Now this part where it says he's been wrapped in a cloud, this happened in a section that we didn't translate, but you read in English. So basically Venus took Aeneas and one of his companions into a cloud to where they can wander through the city and go over the city and look at it all without being seen by anyone. So that's why it says here he mixes with the men and he's not seen by anyone. So he's wrapped in this invisible cloud, kind of like the invisible cloak in Harry Potter, I guess. And he can wander around and marvel at everything without anyone looking at him or questioning him or anything.